Wimpy, once a much-loved British fast food brand, but where is it today? Back in 1954, Wimpy came to the UK, starting out in London. It grew steadily, peaking at 1,500 locations by the 1980s. However, by the end of the 1980s, Wimpy was beginning to lose ground to McDonald's, and today Wimpy has only 66 locations left in the UK, with numbers falling each year as the restaurants get converted to newer formats such as Burger King, McDonald's and KFC. Express cheeseburger. Yo guys, welcome back to the YouTube and welcome back to the channel. We are here in Milford, just off the M6 on our way up to Cumbria, and we thought we would stop by and try a bit of a British tradition that's kind of died out a bit. Jordan, have you ever heard of Wimpy?
No.
You've not heard of Wimpy?
No.
Wimpy used to be around in the UK before McDonald's, and it used to be on the motorway services. So I remember when I was a kid growing up, we used to stop by, have a Wimpy. It was like the original British kind of burger bar. Not been to one for about 15 years maybe. So we're here to try it out and see if it's still the same, or is it stuck in a time warp? I don't know. Let's go and find out, Jordan. Just hope they didn't bring the burgers from the 80s and they've got some fresh ones. So guys, we're here at Wimpy in Milford to try this out. I haven't been to a Wimpy for I don't know.
I've never been.
I think you need to be in your 30s to know anything about Wimpy, but it was before McDonald's, like a proper British fast food institution.
Yeah.
And McDonald's came along and said, see you later. And most of their stores shut. So we found one on the way up to our Cumbrian little adventure. So we stopped by to check it out. And actually, it's pretty cool. We're inside like a little shack.
Yeah.
So we've got a cheeseburger, some chicken strips, so let's give us a go,
chips.
guys. By the way, we are Life with Joe and Jordan, and don't forget, guys, to hit like and subscribe below. This is so cute. It reminds me, it's like going back in time, like proper old school. Wow. Let's start with chicken. It smells good. Chicken. By the way, that noise, it sounds like an airport. It's the food being ready. Chicken strips with mayo. What's this?
It's your chips, I think.
Is it? Oh yeah. This is so good.
See you later.
Have a good one, mate. Got to do the Insta photo. Oh, I'm excited about this. Order 61, best order of the day. Salt with the chips already and vinegar. Look at this.
How you doing?
Mulch vinegar. We get a luxury today, guys, of being able to eat at the same time because we've got loads more space. Normally we're crammed into the corner. Hi! Because the restaurant doesn't want everyone to see us filming in there. But today we've kind of stolen half of the restaurant.
Mainly got the salt on one chip.
Let's go with the mayo. Good chips. That mayo is nice actually. It tastes like, do you know when you make mayo at home or you use free range eggs or you just use better quality ingredients? It doesn't taste like a normal crap mayo.
No.
Good chips, good chips. Wow. That's actually nice.
Oh, that's right nice.
What are we saying, Geordie?
Solid 9.
This guy just, hopefully he'll watch our video, just having a little chat with him. And he's up from round here. And he was saying that people come here all the time. Apparently it's been here for 50 something years, this place.
I think she said 56 or 57.
So it goes to show, and it's been owned by the same family. Wimpy's is a franchise. This one's been owned by the same family for 50 something years, so they're obviously quite invested in it.
Yeah.
It's quite busy as well.
It's obviously working.
The best thing about this location is it's right next to a pub.
Yeah.
So you could go for a few beers and come for this afterwards in this beautiful little shack. I wouldn't say no to that, would you?
I wouldn't either.
Lovely jubbly.
Lovely jubbly.
These are nice, guys. I can't explain it. There's like a light battering, like a panko.
Yeah.
Almost, but the chicken inside is really good quality. It doesn't taste frozen. I'm not going to confirm that's 100% the case, but it doesn't taste frozen to me. Did you know as well, Beard Meets Food was here. He ate the whole menu. I think it was £52 for the whole thing. Because they do an all-day breakfast as well. They do some weird stuff. They do a Bender burger, like a round sausage.
One for you, babe.
Why am I getting...
You've not even tried your burger yet.
I know, and we're going through it.
It's blabbling now. We're cold now.
No, it's not. Okay, let's try the burger.
Yay. Everyone's been on the edge of their seat waiting.
Now, this is the thing, guys. These guys, they don't use normal buns. Soft bun. It's quite a small burger, isn't it? I don't know, actually. So this is just a normal express cheeseburger, it's called. Should we do a Ken Dommett? Scratch it, sniff it, the rest is mine. Oh, there's the airport again. What we got? Burger patty, onions, cheese and ketchup. They have got barbecue sauce, yeah. Okay, let's get into it. What do you think?
That's nice.
I don't know how to explain this. It tastes like a burger that you would have had 20, 30 years ago. So, it's not like a McDonald's burger. Can you see?
Yeah.
Different consistency in there. I'm not 100% sure about it yet.
No.
I'm still like... The bun is good though. Yeah, not the best burger I've ever had. I'll tell you that for nothing. Really weird consistency on that patty. I don't know about this. Yeah, no. Chicken strip's good. Fries good. I'm on the fence about this. Jordan won't try it because it has ketchup in there. What's nice in here as well, you get quite a nice little view of what's going on outside. Kind of near some houses and the pub. I think that's us out, guys.
Yeah.
Off to Cumbria now to film loads more stuff. So the next few videos you see should be us up there. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, drop a like and subscribe and the link below for our food blog if you want to make any of our dishes or just follow us on social media. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you in Cumbria. Here we are at Yelland. Hopefully Jordan will let me in.
It's open, baby.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to Yeeland.
Yelland.
Yelland. Come on in.
Cute.
Cutie.
Cutie. It's very Lake District. Give us a tour, Jordan.
So, you've got a nice little vanity here. Some real roses.
Are they real?
Oh, smell
Are they actually real?
Yes.
We haven't done a hotel review for so long.
And then you've got a nice lovely bed.
Yeah, look at that bed, guys. Wow. Oh. What's out here? This is the pub back across there, guys. Oh, that's actually quite cute. Proper Cumbrian pub. They were really nice in there. So, guys, in the bathroom. Nice. Quite BJ. But I tell you what I like about this room is the little Lake District furnishings. So we're going to head over to the pub, right?
Yeah, we've got 20 minutes to order some food. Come on then.